Hi kids, welcome back to Moony. Today we're gonna create our own magic bouncy balls. I'm so excited! Whoa, look at all the stuff it comes with. Right here are all the colors. We have pink, blue, purple, green, orange, and yellow. And look, they gave us so many. We also have the molds. We have a circle, a smaller circle, an even smaller circle, an oval, and a square. Okay, we have our mold already. Now, let's get creative. I think I'll take pink. Next, I'll take blue. Add some purple. Okay, next to set the mold, we have to take our water and hold our sphere in it for 2 minutes. Okay, it's been 2 minutes, time to take it out. All right, now the instructions tell us to let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. So while that's drying, let's make another one. I think I'll make a square. I'll start with green. And then I'll add some blue. And then I'll add some pink. Some more green, and some more blue. All right. Time to set the mold. It's already been 2 minutes. Time to take it out. Okay, now we'll let that one sit for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll get to play with them. How exciting! It's been 15 minutes. Let's see if they're done. Look at that! Should we go test them out?
Yes!
Let's see how well they bounce. much for creating with me today. And don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.